In this video, I'll talk about how to fix a bending knees problem with humanoid setup in Unity. First of all, what is the problem I'm talking about? You finish your animation for humanoid setup outside Unity. You use Maya, 3ds Max, or Blender. You import your animation like this, and you check your animation preview, and it looks fine until you toggle IK. Now her silhouette is ruined, which you don't want as an animator for sure. This is problem. For comparison sake, I'm gonna show you the original animation. See, so her leg is like this, her knee is like this, but now Unity gives this bending stuff. So how to fix it? Actually, it's really simple. Click avatar you're using. In this case, this one. Configure avatar. Click mouse on a setting. Go to additional setting, and then change the number of leg stretch. In default, it's 0.05. Let's bring it down to 0.01. Click apply, click done, and go back to animation, check the preview. Now this is without IK. And toggle IK. See the difference? This is what I want. And this is without IK. So her feet are sliding. Click IK. It looks fine. Everything looks fine. This is how to fix it. So, what is happening? Like the name suggests, Unity stretches legs when IK system is on. I think the main reason why Unity is doing this is that you might want the IK calculation happens automatically. Say when your character walking on a slope and an animation you are using is a walk cycle on a flat surface. Unity want to make sure the contact happens correctly, so it's a little weird to stretch legs by default, but I can see why. Don't quote me on this. I don't know actually the answer. If you know the actual answer, let me know. I'm learning too. I hope this video helps. Until next time, take care.